Hey guys, today I'll teach you how you can create a website by using AI. You can use this AI for free by clicking the link in the description. First of all, I'll click on generate your website. It's asking me what type of business are you building. I'll type clothing brand and press enter. Here you need to enter your location. Okay, so it's asking me what is the name of your business. I'll ask ChatGPT to suggest me some name. I have typed here I want to build a website for a clothing brand. Can you suggest me some names? Then I'll press enter. So here are some names. I'll select the first one, trend thread, and I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Then I'll click on generate website. Okay, so you can see my website has been generated in less than 30 seconds and it looks so cool. You can customize it according to your need. This is how you can create your website by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this.